Warning, this video may contain profanity or violence that is not intended for children.
You again! Why, yes it is, isn't it?
2 hours later.
How many x-rays? Salamino, Pinguino.
Just one.
11 minutes later.
Wait a second! I know what you're trying to do.
Salamino, Pinguino.
I'm not letting you eat the pizza! No! Get away! No!
I never thought I'd hear myself say this, but please, come in. Salami helping.
12 o'clock midnight.
Brainrot.
The next morning.
Would you please get your friend out of my house?
3 days later. One hour later.
See here.
1 minute, 37 seconds later. Later.
Perhaps I can find solitude in the printed word.
Two hours later. Twelve seconds later.
This now, if you'll be so kind as to leave. Get out of my house!
2 hours later.
What in the world are you giggling about?
Seconds later.
Paintings? This is more fun than anything.
The next day.
No! Huh? No! No! No!
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Tomorrow. (8:01 p.m.)
You're still there, aren't you?
8 hours later. hours later.
Who's ringing the doorbell? You don't know who did it.
2 hours later.
I'm busy spoiling myself. I know you're in here.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, that was disgusting. I feel like I need to scrub myself. Ah!
Just then. Two hours later.
Hey, what are you doing in my house? I am a genius. It's the day you go away and never come back.
2 hours later.
Good night. Salamino. Good night. Salamino.
2 hours later.
What are you doing? Now, out! That'll keep him busy for a few Sundays.
Later. A few minutes later.
A good neighbor doesn't bother me on Sunday.
The very next evening.
We are live at the Krusty Krab Talent Show featuring the finest talent.
And now, poetry by Salamino.
He has such a way with words.
Yes.
The next morning.
Yes! Yes!
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you don't mind, please like it. See you in other videos.